everyone wants to go back to the winning ways, and we have to fight for it, and the day is tomorrow. Normally it is not easy because the fixture is congested, but we are born to play football, and this is our job, so we have to maneuver every problem, and we see that we give our best all the time. The league is competitive.
Twese dushaka gusura mu bihe byiza byo gutsinda, gusa ntabwo byoroshye, imikino ni myinshi, gusa tugomba kubirwanira no kubiharanira. Tugomba gukina umupira kandi buri wese agomba kwitanga uko ashoboye, kuko umupira ni akazi kacu. Birumvikana shampiyona irakomeye.
The players are technically good, and they give their best on the pitch. I see it is very different, like from some of the leagues I've played from. The league is more tactical.